it's Michaela, and you are watching FunsizedStyle. So for today's video, I have my corresponding makeup tutorial from the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Pumpkin Spice It Up box, and I'm doing the corresponding makeup tutorial, so I'm doing the Pumpkin and Spice It Up makeup tutorial, duh. So yeah, if you guys would like to see the products put to the test from that box and create this makeup tutorial, then go ahead and just keep watching. I'm so impressed with this look, and I can't get over this eyeshadow. It is my absolute favorite. I'm so excited to share this look with you. Since I've done so many makeup tutorials lately, to start off this look, I've already done my primer and foundation. So for primer, I use my NYX Face Base Primer Spray. You guys know I love this stuff. And then for foundation, I use my It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream, and I'm in the shade Light. And I love this stuff because of the coverage. It's absolutely amazing, and you guys know it's a fan favorite over here. I will of course let you guys know when I use a product that was included in my Pumpkin Spice It Up Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. Next, I'm going to apply powder, and this is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder, and yeah, this is the Maybelline Matte and Fit Me. Sorry, I'm like so tired, I can't like think straight. I'm filming this super late, but I'm working so hard on content for you guys lately. Next, for eye primer, I'm going to use my Kokie Cosmetics Prep It Up eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes for eyeshadow, and I'm going to do this next, even though I'm not going to do eyeshadow. After this, I'm going to let this set. This was not included in the Pumpkin Spice It Up Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box either. I promise you guys that we'll get there soon. A lot of the products in this Pumpkin Spice It Up box were really focused on eyes, so you won't see any products from there until we get to that point. But stay tuned. For now, I prime my eyes. To bronze my face using the Bahama Mama bronzer by the Balm Cosmetics. The next product that I'm going to use in this Pumpkin Spice It Up makeup tutorial is actually one of the products that was in the Pumpkin Spice It Up Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, and this is by LA Girl, and this is the Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. From the cap here, it looks a little bit more on the red side, so I'm hoping that it matches my brows okay and isn't too drastically different. But I am really excited to try this brow pencil because it looks incredibly slim, and I love these kind of brow products, so let's give it a try. Brow pencil. I don't think it's anything too special. I still like my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz better. I just think it applies just a little bit nicer, but this is a really great brow pencil if you're looking for a more affordable option. But I just realized I forgot to brush them out, so I'm going to do that now. Next, I'm going to use my Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow to fill in just a little bit in the areas that the pencil may have missed. I just feel like this is such a great next step for me to give my brows more definition. Lastly, for brows, I'm going to set them using my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Okay, so next we're going to move on to eyeshadow, and we're actually almost done with this look. We just have eyeshadow, mascara, and lips, and we're done. So I figured this tutorial would be pretty quick, but not quite this quick. But before we get into the eyeshadow that was included in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Pumpkin Spice It Up box. I'm going to be using this palette. This is the Revealed palette, the Revealed Matte palette by Coastal Scents. They sent me this palette a while ago. I just figured it would be perfect for this pumpkin and spice it up eye look. The shadows that were included in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box were more shimmery. There is one matte shade and then one shimmer shade, but I just feel like I need a few more matte shades to go with the shimmer that I'm going to use, if that makes sense. So I just love the colors that were included in this palette. As you can see again here, these shadows do not have shade names, but I'm going to be going for this color, I think, this color, and this color, and then we're going to use the shadows that were included in my Pumpkin Spice It Up. Like a neutral eye look, but you'll see why I included this palette in a moment. So now we're going to move on to the shadows that were included in my Pumpkin Spice It Up Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. Okay, so this was one of the shadows that was included in the Pumpkin Spice It Up Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, and this is a matte eyeshadow by the brand Kawkawlin Cosmetics, and this is the Pumpkin Spice shadow, and it's just this matte orangey red, so that's really pretty. I'm just going to put this in my crease. Since I know that this shadow is going to be pretty bold, I'm going to use a more fluffy brush so that I don't use too much. I look so far, and I haven't even used the last shadow. This definitely looks like a Pumpkin Spice It Up makeup tutorial or makeup look, whatever. So lastly, on my lid, I'm going to use another eyeshadow that was included in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Pumpkin Spice It Up box. And this is an eyeshadow by the brand Terramere Cosmetics. I could be totally saying that wrong, but this is a loose mineral eyeshadow in the shade S22 Gold Dust. So it's just a beautiful gold, and we're gonna put that on my lid. Oh my gosh. You guys know mineral eyeshadows are not my favorite to work with, or maybe you don't know, but they're not my favorite to work with. But this is my favorite mineral eyeshadow I've ever tried. So easy, just a few swipes, so pigmented. The color is so even, applies so effortlessly. I love this. This looks amazing. My fingers are all gold now, but oh my gosh, that looks flawless, and this totally looks like a pumpkin spice makeup tutorial. This is amazing. I absolutely love this. Ah, Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box never lets me down with their themes. Oh my gosh. I love this. Is amazing. This looks so good. I wasn't sure about the combination when I saw the shadows in the box. I was like, is this going to look like a pumpkin spice eyeshadow, Pumpkin Spice It Up look? But it does, and I'm so excited. So I realized in this tutorial I totally forgot to apply concealer, but this is the concealer that I normally wear. My acne is actually not bad tonight, so to be honest, even if I remembered, I don't know if I would have used it or not. Probably, because I really like the finish that it gives my skin, but this is the Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer, so I'll have this link down below as well. Next, we're going to do mascaras. I am going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Mascara Base by L'Oreal, like I just said. And then for mascara, this is another product that was included in the Sweet Sparkle Pumpkin Spice It Up box. And this is by J-Cat Beauty, and it's the Lengthening Live Love Lash Mascara. So we're going to go ahead and put these on. I think this is my new favorite mascara. This J-Cat Live Love Lash Mascara is so incredibly lengthening, and what I love about it is it does not get clumpy. So many mascaras get clumpy, and even if they say they're lengthening, that doesn't always mean that they are. This is just so incredibly lengthening. I absolutely love this. I love this mascara a lot. I could not recommend this more, and I think mascaras are one of the makeup products that I'm the most picky about, so for me to really recommend this mascara says a lot. You guys need to try this. Okay, I wasn't gonna apply blush, but I feel like this look needs a little bit more color, like even with my bronzer, I don't know, I just feel like it needs a little something. You guys know this is my favorite blush. This is by Per Se Minerals, and this is the Sheer Glow Blush in the shade Cinnarose. I'm so glad I added blush. I just feel like my skin needed a little bit more color tonight for some reason. The last step in this Pumpkin Spice It Up makeup tutorial, utilizing the products that were in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, Pumpkin Spice It Up, is another product that was in that box, and this is the lip color. You guys know this is the product that ties the look together. This is by the brand Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics, and this is a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Ginger. So I'm really excited to try this shade because these are my perfect kind of colors for fall. That is such a beautiful lip color. That is such a beautiful lip color. I absolutely love it. This is the full Pumpkin Spice It Up makeup tutorial utilizing the products that were in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Pumpkin Spice It Up box. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll go ahead and give you guys a final glimpse. So that is it for this completed Pumpkin Spice It Up makeup tutorial. I absolutely love how this look turned out. I have yet to be disappointed by one of my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box makeup tutorials. They are just my favorite, and I need to try more of these Terramere Loose Mineral shadows. They're my favorite loose mineral shadows I've ever tried, and oh my gosh, I just cannot get over this eye look. It is my favorite. So thank you guys again for watching. I will have all the products that I utilized in this look down in the description box below if you'd like to recreate this look along with me, and I guess that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!